Hello, this video is part 3 of synthetic division. This is the same problem as long division video part 3. This is a more challenging problem. I would recommend you look at video part 1 and part 2 before you venture into this problem. We will start by pointing certain things out. Whenever you start looking at the dividend and divisor, you have to look at the exponents and make sure that they are in order from smallest to largest. In this case, we have a 3, then we have a 2. We don't have a variable with the x by itself. That means that we have a gap in the problem. Therefore, we have to write it out without the gap. 6x cubed plus 10x squared plus, I will be adding a 0x because when you add 0 to anything, it doesn't change the problem. Plus 8. I will be doing the same thing for the divisor. 2x squared plus 0x plus 1. We will not use these ones anymore. The ones above will become the dividend and the divisor. Similarly to what we did on the other videos, we will take this problem down, and because the number in front of the x squared in this case is not 1, we will be dividing everything by 2. 2 divided by 2 gives us x squared. 0 divided by 2 is still 0. And 1 divided by 2 is 1/2. We will be not using this at this point. We will use the 0 and we will use the 1/2. However, when we put them right here, we will be using the opposite sign. I will be putting negative 1/2 here. It's the opposite of 1/2. For the other one, I will still be putting 0 because 0 and negative 0 are the same thing. Now, I will bring down the numbers from the one we created by adding the 0. 6, 10, 0, and 8. Just to let you know, this comes from the x cubed, x squared, x, and constant. I will start by bringing the 6 down all the way. This 10 will come down only there. Now, we will be multiplying 0 times 6. This would be 0, and I would put it here. Next, I will be multiplying 1/2 times 6, and I will be moving it right here. That would give us negative 3. Now I have to simplify. These two numbers, 10 plus 0 is 10, and also these two numbers, 0 minus 3 is negative 3. We will repeat the process. 0 times 10 goes here. This is 0. 1/2 times 10 is negative 5. Combine these two gives me negative 3. Combine these two gives me 3. Bring down the 3, and we are almost done. Now, because in this case we have 3 terms right here, we will be taking the last 2 as the remainder. And this becomes the constant. This becomes the x. When writing the answer, we now divide these numbers by the same number that divided over here, by 2. That means we get 3x plus 5, and we will be adding negative 3x. This one will be having an x, and plus 3. This will be placed over the divisor, but I will not include the 0. 2x squared plus 1. This right here will be our answer for this more challenging problem. This is the quotient, this is the divisor, and this is the remainder, which we now put an x next to it because there are 2 terms.